Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record screen in Windows 10 or 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my laptop with Windows 11, and if we want to record screen, we can use snipping tool application. This one. If this application hasn't appeared on your desktop, you can go to the search menu and search for snipping tool. This one. Just open this application and then you are going to click on new, and you have to select the video or the record option. Just select new, and then you are going to select the recording area like this, and then just click on start. But before you click on start, you have to activate the microphone like this, and then click on start, and the recording will be started. Okay, and if you want to save it, you can click on this icon, stop recording, and after that just click on the save icon and save the video to your device. And alright guys, that's all the way to record screen in Windows 10 or 11. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.